So I had this friend. Let me find her name. I thought you already saw that, but her name is come on, Stella something something. And I was making an art book, and for some reason, I was trying to find a blush in animation, and I think she has one. But when I was like, mistletoe love, beating heart, I love you, ho ho ho, the darkest flowers, I come across beating heart, and beating heart is right here. So when I clicked on that, it still looks normal, but to me it's like a weird glitch. It's maybe an old animation. I really want it, but I'm not her, so yeah. I hope you like this video. And bye.